How to install Zynn app on Android. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can install Zynn app on Android. Okay, so guys, if you go to Play Store and if you search it, okay, it will show you some kind of error. Okay, so guys, let's go to Play Store, and guys, as you can see, okay, you cannot download the Zynn app on Play Store. Okay, it will says this item is not available in your country. Okay, so how you can download it, okay, and how you can install it in your device. So without wasting any more time, let's start up the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video. So guys, if you want to install and download the Zing app, go to the Google. Okay, I'll show you from. Okay, so you have to go here. Okay, this website name. Okay, where is website name? Here you can see apkpure.com. Okay, I have installed, and till now I didn't face any kind of problem. Okay, so go to apkpure.com, and guys, here you can see. Okay, now you have to click here on download apk. So let's click, and now guys, as you can see, okay, so it's already on up, it's already on the install mode. So you have to click here once again. So after you click here, it will automatically start downloading. So you have to cut the advertise, and then guys, as you can see, Zing app has been started downloading. So guys, I don't need this application, so I'll just stop it from here. Okay, so just I have to save my MB as well. So guys, as you can see, it was started downloading. So if you want this application, okay, then guys, just follow up my process, you will get it. Okay, easily you will get it. So without any problem, you can install it as well. Okay, if you face any kind of problem again, you can just comment me below, or you can try from another website as well. Okay, so I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.